I was telling my black team that there's been a concept I've been playing for many, many years. It's the 120 concept. See this number? And I was telling them that I don't know what it is, but for whatever reason, 120 is a psychological turning point, psychological resistance. So when stocks come near 120, they usually have a setback. All right. Now, I played beyond. I nailed beyond right here and got out pretty much exactly $2 lower. I mean, $2,000 for 500 shares is crazy. All right. But the play I really wanted was 120. So look at where I got in, right underneath 120. All right. So my average pricing was 0.88 to 0.94. So 119.88, 119.44. And this is the move down. So I'm covering down here just because I take this move and pretty much, I don't know if you guys are into doing that type of stuff, but this is what I teach you in the master class, where if you have a former peak here, right, that had a sharp drop, and then it takes it out, the peak then becomes the floor, right? More or less. Not that it can't break through, but we're talking general areas, right? So if we take this peak here, that would go in the range of the tail. So you can pretty much see how we take the peak out, we bounce off the peak area again, right into 120. I take the short 120 with a maximum stop. I have nothing to the left to reference. So I've got to use maximum, right? Maximum loss per trade, but I nailed the top so perfectly, just based on the 120 concept. So I've said this many times. There are concepts that I could teach you, and quite a few of them, but that I don't teach you because you can't make a living from them. Like, there are cycles that are every 4-year cycles, but what does that do for the trader who wants to try to become profitable day by day? You're not going to wait for 4 years for an opportunity, right? There are things like the 120 concept that's not going to feed you every day. So I do limit most of the concepts to things that I believe can feed you every day, that you will have plenty of opportunity to take advantage of it. But anyway, I just wanted to explain that.